Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by mounting and powering the optic. Tighten the screws so the sight sits rock solid. Once done, install a fresh battery with the positive end facing the reticle. This prevents intermittent power loss. Make an initial bore sight at 25 to 50 yards to put shots on paper. This saves time when you move to precise adjustments. Do it now, because a stable mount and reliable power are the foundation for accurate holographic aiming later. You will now configure the reticle and perform your live zero. First, set brightness to a comfortable daylight level so the reticle remains crisp without bloom. Then, fire a 3-shot group and note point of impact versus point of aim. Use the windage and elevation screws. 1 click equals the sight's specified minute of angle to move the point of impact. Once a group centers on target, make smaller adjustments and confirm with another 3-shot group until the point of impact matches your point of aim. You finish by confirming your zero under real shooting posture and learning the sight modes. Make sure eye relief and cheek weld are natural so the reticle stays consistent. Then cycle brightness and NV-compatible settings so you know what each does. If the sight flickers or loses brightness, check battery orientation and contact points. Tighten the mount and reseat the battery. If problems continue, swap in a new cell and recheck. Often a fresh battery or...
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.